In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block links and server invites on Discord. By the end, you'll have a clean setup that automatically stops unwanted links and invites spam using Carlbot's Automod tools. Make sure you have the manage server permission on the Discord server you want to protect, since you'll need it to configure these settings. First, open your browser and go to Carl.gg. This is the official web dashboard for Carlbot, a popular moderation bot. On the homepage, click Login with Discord, sign in through the secure Discord window, and authorize the connection. You may be asked to confirm which account you're using and to grant permissions so the dashboard can manage your server settings. Next, choose the server you want to manage, select the correct server icon, and continue through the prompts. If this is your first time connecting Carlbot to that server, you'll see some permission screens. Continue through them so the bot can moderate messages and apply Automod rules. When you're done, you'll land on the server dashboard. From the dashboard, find the Automod section and open it, then go to bad links. This is where you'll configure link filtering. Look for link spam mode and set it to whitelist. Whitelist mode means only the domains you explicitly allow will be permitted and everything else will be blocked automatically. In the whitelisted domains field, add the trusted sites you want your members to be able to share, such as your own website or known platforms you rely on. Anything not on this list will be caught by the filter, including typical Discord invite links, which helps prevent unsolicited server invites. Now choose your punishments. Pick the actions that fit your moderation style, such as deleting the message, warning the user, or applying a short timeout. Then set the punish after values so it triggers immediately. Enter 1 for links and 1 for seconds. This tells Carlbot to act as soon as someone posts a single non-whitelisted link within 1 second, which is ideal for stopping quick spam. When everything looks good, click Save to apply the settings. After saving, it's a good idea to test in a private channel or with a test account. Try posting a link that isn't on your whitelist and confirm it's blocked. Then post an allowed link to ensure it goes through. If something legitimate gets blocked, simply add that domain to your whitelist and save again. That's it. You've set up Carlbot to block unwanted links and server invites on Discord while still allowing the sites you trust.